Hi code warriors, welcome back to CodeKotha. It's your bro with you, and today we're going to build something super useful, super beginner friendly, and honestly something that makes you feel like a real programmer instantly. Sorry, একটু বেশি বলে ফেলছি. We'll make a simple banking system in Java. So coders, let's write some code, make some mistakes, and level up together. If I shortly explain the whole thing, we have to make a program for menu at first. The program will shows options like deposit, withdraw, check balance, exit, something like that. It's like the program lets you deposit, withdraw, check balance, and keep running until you choose to stop. We begin by creating a scanner object so that we can take input from the user. Here the balance keeps track of how much money the user has, and the choice will store the option the user selected from the menu. Which menu? That we are making now. The whole code is going through this while loop. Here we are showing a menu again and again until the user chose to exit. This loops runs forever until the user selects option 4, exit. Here I am making a user option where user will input his choice. Now we will handle each option with a switch case so that system looks clean and organized. This is the main part of the code because we will control the menu in here. Here we'll ask the user for deposit amount. The first line prints a message for asking the user to enter how much money they want to deposit, and the input dot next double waits for the user to type a number like 500 or 1000. Whatever the number the user enters, it gets stored in the variable deposit amount. After that, we check if the entered amount is 0 or negative. If user enters 0 or -100 or anything less than or equal 0, the program prints amount must be greater than 0, because you cannot deposit 0 or negative taka, right? This block runs only if the amount is positive. Here balance plus equal deposit amount means balance equal balance plus deposit amount. So if balance was 100 or deposit was 50, new balance will be 150. Then it prints a success message showing the amount deposited. On the case 2, we will ask the user how much money they want to withdraw. Here the user will prompted to enter an amount, and whatever the number the user types, like 100, 200, whatever, it will get stored in withdrawal amount, same as the first case, not any complicated thing. Here is also amount must be greater than 0, so you'll know what to do. But we have another validation to check in this case. Here we'll use else if, and we'll check is the user trying to withdraw more money than they currently have. If yes, it will show insufficient balance. Like if balance is 500 and user tries to withdraw 1000, it's not possible. If everything is okay, it will proceed with withdrawal. This part runs only when amount is greater than 0, amount is less than or equal balance, so the withdrawal is allowed. Here balance minus equal withdraw amount means balance equal to balance minus withdrawal amount. Simple. Example, balance is 1000, withdrawal amount 300, new balance will be 700, sorry. And break. Here the case 3. It's pretty simple. Here system.out.print line your current balance, concatenate balance. This line simply prints the user's current balance. Whatever the value of balance is at that moment, it will be shown to the user. And now let's talk about the case 4. Simple thing as usual. If the user chose option 4 from the menu, it will run the exit code and it shows the user the program is ending safely. There is no confusion. It adds a nice touch to your project. We are using return and the loop will stop in here. Now the default case, we'll use it for handling any wrong number the user enters. If there is any wrong input, then system will show the message. And that's it. Let's run it and check it. Firstly, let's check our balance. It's 0 right now, but we'll deposit some money. Let's say 200, and here successfully deposited 200. Now I can check my balance and it's added 200 on my current balance. If I want to withdraw some money, I have to choose option 2 and I will withdraw 100. Yes, it's successful again. And that's it. We just built a fully working banking system in Java. Something every beginner should make at least once because it teaches loops, conditionals, menu-driven programs, validation, real-world logic. If you learned something new today, make sure to like the video and share it with your friend and subscribe to CodeKotha. Until next time, keep learning, keep coding, and inshallah, we'll see improvement every single day.